Hi, everybody. My name's Clint.
And I'm Tabitha.
And like many of you, we love being out of office on New Year's Eve.
This year we rang in 2026 at the historic Reed House Hotel in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They throw a fun 20s themed celebration that's a unique way to celebrate the new year.
So come along with us, and we'll show you this beautiful property and fantastic celebration.
Let's go.
The beginnings of the Reed House Hotel go all the way back to 1847 when a man named Thomas Crutchfield built the Crutchfield House. A fire in 1867 would burn Crutchfield House to the ground, and Dr. John T. Reed, a surgeon during the Civil War, would open the Reed House on that site in 1872. Thomas Reed sold the hotel to his son Samuel Reed in 1879. The hotel would quickly become the social and political center of Chattanooga, with Grover Cleveland celebrating his presidential win there in 1884. There is a small fitness center and indoor pool at the Reed House. Both are open each day from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
The garden is the newest event venue at the Reed House. It is 3,000 square feet and can be used for weddings, receptions, or other events. With the increase in visitors and conventions in Chattanooga, it became necessary for more space to be added. So in the 1920s, the old buildings of the original Reed House were removed to allow for construction of a new tower. That tower still stands today as the primary facade of the Reed House. In 2016, the Reed House began a renovation project that would restore it back to its original 1926 splendor. The results of that renovation can be seen today in the beautiful property that is the modern-day Reed House Hotel. In 2022, they celebrated the 150-year anniversary, and it is the longest continually operating hotel in the Southeast.
The lobby lounge is one of our favorite places. They have fantastic craft cocktails and a very relaxed, high-end atmosphere. This is the beautiful main lobby at the Reed House Hotel. The 20s theming is certainly evident here, and it is absolutely spectacular.
Bridgman's is our favorite fine dining restaurant anywhere around. The food is top quality and services as well. They're open Sunday through Thursday, 5 to 10, Friday and Saturday, 5 to 11.
These were the primary common areas of the hotel. Now let's go check out some of the accommodations. All right, so once you get off the elevator at the Reed House into the hallway, this is the Manor Tower. You got an ice maker. You'll notice, well, to say the least, the decor is very interesting. You got this green coloration all the way down. Just so happens that our room is on this end of the hall, but you see the same kind of color pattern all the way down. Just very green. I'm not sure if this is a 1920s color or not, but yeah. This is the hallway at the Manor Tower of the Reed House. All right, we're here at the Reed House Hotel in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's check out the room. Okay, as we said in the intro, as we were walking in, this is a 1920s themed hotel. We are in the Manor Tower. I believe this is the newest portion of the Reed House. I could certainly be wrong about that, but I love the decor. The Reed House logo there at the edge of the bed is a nice little touch. You see we got a open closet over here. I've already got more stuff in there. Pretty good TV. Nice little bit of storage there, especially for just one night. Mini fridge. Have a coffee maker. And of course, the side tables. View's not great. Got the little alley down there. I call that the Instagrammer's alley. May not can tell from here, but it's lit up. And then We have the bathroom. This is an accessible room. We didn't request that, but it's what we were assigned. So, there we are. Reed House, Chattanooga, Tennessee, New Year's Eve, 2025, 2026. We got the whole crew. Let's go check out the party.
The New Year's Eve party is held in one of the grand ballrooms on the mezzanine level. The New Year's Eve package includes the hotel room for the night and 2 tickets for entry to the party. It also includes open bar and heavy hors d'oeuvres. There's a 20s style band that plays throughout the night. Food offerings include shrimp, crab legs, and beef fillet, along with some side items, and a full dessert bar in a separate room.
The star of the show with respect to the food has got to be the display of shrimp and crab. The side items are good too, especially the multiple offerings of mac and cheese. Those are some of my personal favorites. The dessert bar that Tabitha mentioned is also really good. You've seen the food. Now let's check out the party. Tabitha is definitely the one with the rhythm in the family. My skills in this area, unfortunately, are pretty much non-existent. All right, we got a fit check. What do you got? Tabitha in the 20s theme lavender dress, looking outstanding. And then me, well, I'm just trying to match her. But the shoes, baby. Lavender shoes. Gotta love it.
All the things.
It's a party.
All the things.
Thank you for coming along with us on our New Year's Eve celebration for 2026.
Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can join us the next time we go out of office.
See you next time.